Hi, in front of me I have Sony Xperia XZ Premium and I'm gonna show you how to set up a fingerprint lock on this device. Let's start by opening the settings, and to do it tap on the apps icon and then tap the settings icon to open the settings. Once in settings, let's scroll down and select lock screen and security. Here let's tap on fingerprint manager. Now let's tap next. Now we need to select additional screen lock method. So let's select, for example, fingerprint plus pattern. Tap yes or no, depending if you want to have a secure startup on. We're gonna tap on no. And now let's draw the pattern we want to use. Tap next. Let's draw it again. And tap confirm. Here we can select one of the options for the notifications. And once you're done, tap done. Now tap next. And we can start setting up our fingerprint. The fingerprint scanner is right here on the power button on the right side of the device. And we just need to take our finger and start pressing with it on the sensor, like that. And as you can see, the fingerprint was added. Let's tap done and check if it's working. So let's lock our device, unlock it, or wake up the screen, and then unlock it by putting our finger on the sensor. And as you can see, it's working. And that's how you set up the fingerprint lock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.